This is a picture of a shoe store that I just created using ChatGPT. And this picture was based on this real photo from a real store that I just got randomly from Google. And honestly, the store just doesn't look great. And if you are owning a store and you probably think that it just doesn't look great on camera, then I guess you can use ChatGPT to make it more unique. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your front store into some unique 3D design using ChatGPT. So here's how you can do it. First, let's go to chatgpt.com and then log in with your account. Now for this demonstration, I'll try to use this picture of an eyewear store that again from Google. I'm going to just right click, copy image, and let's paste that on ChatGPT. And by the way, if you have the picture on your device, you can click this plus button and then you can select the file from your computer. Now for the prompt, you can use this prompt. I'm going to put all the prompts in the video description. I'm going to right click, copy, and then paste that to ChatGPT. All right, so there are a lot of things that you could customize here, and it's really up to you. I think you can read the prompt and then you can change a few things here and there. But here I will make some changes, like the miniature shoe store. It's not a shoe store. This is an eyewear. Sorry about that. And let's see if there is anything else I could change. You could change the color temperature, the time setting, aspect ratio. I think I'm going to be using 1:1 aspect ratio. Now let's click tools, create image, and send the message to ChatGPT. But this process will take usually between 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll be back with the result. All right, it is done. Let me see the result. Okay, it's actually much better than I expected. So yeah, you can actually download the picture. You can click this save button and then save it to your computer, and you can use this picture for your advertising material or maybe something else. But yeah, go ahead, use this prompt, use ChatGPT to create a unique 3D isometric design of your front store. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.